This is a little different. Usually I just film me clean it, but this is my tornado floor scrubber. It not only does it clean, but it extracts. And I have the tile brushes on here. It also comes, I use this on wood floors when I clean wood floors. So it also comes with white brushes that are used for wood floors. So now this is the extraction tank on it. Just fills up like a normal shop bag with all the dirty water. And then this is the reservoir tank. This is where the cleaner is and the water. Let's start using it.